Honestly, the serum is a complete game changer for my daily routine. My skin has never felt this incredibly hydrated and smooth. And the best part? It fits any budget. Tap below to get yours and start glowing today.
I used just one product to create 3 different ads for all your social media platforms: TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You can use this ad for 3 different styles for your commercial ads and for your clients. Any type of style your clients want, you can use this ad for it. Now watch this video to know how to do it. First off, I'm starting with the product material. Now this is the product image we are going to be using for this project. Now we have our ready-to-use script here. Now for the ad 1, I want to use TikTok and Instagram UCG style. For the ad 2, I want premium cinematic product ad, and for ad 3, I want e-commerce sales ad. What I'm trying to do basically here is to use one product to create 3 different ads. Let's copy it here. So I'm going to copy this prompt down to the version and then go to our AI in video generation. Now the video generation we are going to be using is the almighty Flova AI, which I have reviewed before, and this is very good platform. Now you are going to come here and then sign up. Now to be able to use Flova, you are going to get 100 free credits when you sign up using my link, and after you are done doing that, you can also get 200 free credits to use when someone registers through your link. So after inputting your mail to sign you in just like this, and you are going to see all the models it has here. It already has launched Seedance 2.5, and you know that Seedance is the best AI model you can use now, and it also has Seedance 2.0 fast. It has Seedance 2.0 and Seedance 2.0 fast, Seedance 2.0 mini. In fact, all the Seedance platform, it has it here. And since we are doing video, we are going to be using Seedance 2.5. I'm going to paste my prompts here. First of all, we are going to see how I'm going to paste the prompt without using this skill set. We are not going to be using the skill yet. I'm going to be comparing the two. Now let's paste the prompt and see what it's going to give to me when I give it a fresh prompt to use for me without using the skill. Now it's going to start generating everything that you want for your video. So you are going to just have to be patient, because it's going to create the key elements, the shots, the storyboard, everything. Is going to create everything for you. So yours is just to download and then edit, but you can also edit whatever you want here if you don't want it. Now for here, you are going to upload the serum image. This is where you are going to upload the image of the serum so that you can use it. Now I'm going to be uploading image 1. Now this is where it gets juicy. You can use this platform in any language that you want. You can either use it in English, create all voiceover, all terminal dialogue, on-screen text in English. You can create in Spanish, and if you don't want any voiceover, you can just create the 3 ads with no music, natural visual and storytelling, and English on-screen text only. Or you can just type in whatever you want to use here. Whether the language you want is German, you can type it here. But no, I'm going to be using English, so let's send this. Now I'm not immediately creating random clips. You see, I'm asking Flova to structure the actual advertisement first. Now the agent can turn the product brief into a script and a storyboard, so I can see what the ad is supposed to do before spending time generating the shot. After this, I'm going to go back to the skill to open the skill and then compare this with the skill that we are going to be choosing. So stay with me to the end of this video. Now it has finished. It is creating my media and everything I need for this ad. That is what it's doing right here. It's generating the UCG creator, but through everything that it needs for this is going to generate it. Now this is the UCG creator that is going to use for this ad, and this is the scene background, and this is the other things that is going to use, and this is the actual product I want you to advertise. So if your client already has a product, this is where the product you are going to maintain the product visual here. As you can see here, it has already generated my assets. That is, everything that you need for the video has been generated here. Look at this. Look at the style it generated. This is short UGC 1 hook video, short UGC 2 hook video, short UGC 3 showcase video, and this is short CTA video. That is the final shot. Now the cinematic shot, it did not create the first one, but it created the first one here. So this is cinematic shot 1 for the cinematic shots. Now cinematic shot 2 the interact video. Now cinematic shot 3, everything has been created already. So what you have to do, just go straight and download, export all the file. You can see here, you can click here and all the file is going to be exported. What do I mean? The file that it has created here and the voiceover, the prompt, the dialogue that it has created here also is going to be generated. Look at
Honestly, the
this.
serum is a complete game to nourish, restore, experience the essence. Tired of dull, tired skin? Instantly reset your glow. Our trip.
Now what you need to do is that you just export all these images, go to your editor and then go and sort the voiceover with the images together. I'm going to be showing you in a jiffy. So you are going to open CapCut because there's CapCut in my system. I'll open CapCut and I will show you an example of what I have done. Now listen to the another voiceover. This is the cinematic music voiceover. It has already generated this in different segments for you, so you don't need to start searching which one is which. So it has generated cinematic music for this other one,
Nourish.
then the
Restore.
third one.
Experience the essence.
Do you see? Now this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So all you have to do is just to put them into place and I'll be showing you the final result after editing. Now you can come here directly and then store in asset library. That means you have already created another asset library for your own. You can name it, rename it as product 3-in-1 ad. So you can come back to this storyboard and then come back and reuse it again for each and every of your clients you want to use. That is if it's this type and style that they want. You can see here that I'm going to come and click here and you see that all your zip has been downloaded. Look at it here, everything has been downloaded. It's going to be showing here in your PC. So go over and then edit it. Now you see that when I started with just my own script. I did not use a skill, but if you want to use a skill, you can come back here and then copy your prompt. Just click copy and then come here and choose any of the skill that you want. First of all, you need to read this skill. This is create an AI commercial ad. You know that I did a 3-in-1 ad. This is just strictly AI commercial ad, and this is I can come here and then check for more skills to use. This is script to video. This is product promo video. You can just use a skill here. A skill does not mean that it is bad. It just means that I have to think through the structure. Now what? A skill isn't just a template, it is a reusable production workflow that preserves things like the creative structure, like what I have done before. I have preserved my creative structure that it has given me before and my own structure, and I preserve it for reference purposes. It has model setup and production process. Do you understand? So if you don't want to start from scratch, you can just take any of the skill and then put it side by side to the one that you have already created from scratch. Both is going to give you the same, it's going to give you a different outcome. So that is just it for the skill, and it is very easy to use. So just pick any of the skill here. For example, I want to use this one now. So you can just click use skill, come here and click use skill. It's going to bring you to this interface and then you paste your prompt here. So paste your prompt here and then it's going to generate. So you are going to see now that it's going to start another whole full production for you to be able to analyze. Now you are going to wait till this skill is already ready. So you are going to activate. So what you are going to do here is start choosing everything it's telling you to choose from A to Z. Choose it one after the other, and then I'm going to be showing you the final results. Now remember that I told you that you can create your ad in different languages. Now let's play this and see. Now do you see that it's speaking in another language that is aside from English? If you remember that I gave you, this is the one that I did with the normal skill. This is the one that I use with my normal flow program. I didn't use the skill, and while this is the one I use for skill, you can see that this is faster. Checking it alongside side to side, this program is faster because I used already made skill. But when I use this one, I had to generate the images first of all, generate the images without the voiceover, and then it went ahead to generate the voiceover separately, and then I have to take it to my editor to put everything together, which is what I am doing here. I edited everything into one video for the first one while using my normal prompt. But when I use the skill side of it, when I tapped into the skill side, I was able to use When I used it when I picked one of the skill, I was able to generate the images and the voiceover together. So if you ask me, using one of the skill is very fast. Just have your prompt and then input it into your agent, and then you get your final result. Another good thing there is that you can use Seedance 2.5 and it's fully unlocked on Flova AI for a limited time, and creators can get double credits and 480 pip generation. Starts from just $0.03 per second. So you have to use the link in the description to be able to use Flova AI. It is very good, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
熬夜党姐妹们，锁死这瓶精华。质地巨清爽，一抹就化水，完全不黏腻。坚持用了1周，脸上的暗沉真的退下去了，皮肤又透又亮。